I got that juice. New AP. She got that juice. She got that squeeze. She got that wet. I'm on them skis. I got that drip. I'm overseas. DRIPPING. I got that VVSICE.
To highlight, I'm going to be using MAC's Pro Longwear Concealer in the shade NC42. I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild brush to apply the concealer. So I apply concealer under my eye, and then I bring it into the nose to create a natural contour for the nose. Some people use the triangle shape. I just put it all underneath my eyes. So I'm also going to apply the concealer to my Cupid's bow area and kind of bring it up. Then I'm going to apply some to my chin. So then I'm taking a damp beauty blender and I'm going to blend all the concealer out that I just applied. I take the point and I carefully blend out the concealer on my nose. So then I take a cream contour, and this is actually Black Opal and Suede Mocha. And then I put it on areas that I'm going to contour. So I'm going to apply it to my jaw. And then I'm going to apply it to my other side. And if you really want to snatch nose, you can do your nose. I don't always do my nose. It just kind of depends on how I'm feeling today. So I'm going to put it down my nose. And the closer in it is, the more snatched your nose would be. So I'm going to take the MAC 159, sorry it's dirty, and this is what I'm going to use to blend out that cream contour. So this is just gonna like diffuse that color in. It's a really nice brush to use. Take the MAC 217 and I'm going to blend out my nose and my eyes. always go back into the nose and reapply some concealer so that the nose is still standing out. And clean up any mistakes. If I made my nose look a little too wide, I'll clean that up and fix that. And then just take that beauty blender and blend it out. Take my sponge and blend it out. So I'm going to start by setting my under eye with the C6 Press Powder by MAC. Then I'm going to take the Laura Mercier translucent powder and translucent, and I'm going to set all the other areas of my face. So I'm setting my eyelids because I put concealer there. I highlight and contour my eyelids because it does give you a natural eyeshadow look without you having to actually wear eyeshadow. So then I'm going to take a Real Technique setting brush and the Medium Deep Translucent by Laura to set under here. Now I'm going to let all of that bake, and then I'm going to go in with my bronzer. I use the Smashbox bronzer. As you can see, this is, like the only thing I use in this little package. Like, it's almost gone. So look, I left. So I'm going to take this Sonia Kashuk brush. It's like a pointy brush. I love it so much. I don't even know how to describe it. It has no name to it. It just came in a kit I had, and it's just really amazing for bronzing. So I'm gonna take this color and just start to bronze the areas that have the contour. Go over my forehead, just like in circular motions. I'm gonna actually dust off all this powder because I don't want it to stick and have me looking crazy. So I'm gonna take my fluffy Sephora powder brush, and I'm gonna take this dark deep mineralized skin finish powder by MAC. This helps it like not look too light and kind of blend. It kind of tones down the highlight. when you blend out your highlight with a face powder, you can barely tell where your highlight and contour starts and stops. That's why I love doing it. I feel like it looks amazing and leaves such a flawless finish. To continue contouring my face, I'm going to use this powder. It's Deep Neutral by Urban Decay. And if you feel like your contour is too crazy or you messed up, you could always go over with your bronzer. So that's what I'm gonna do. And it usually just fixes everything and blends it way more than it already is. Just put that over, or you can put your face powder over. Okay, so now the contouring of my nose and my eyes. I'm gonna use the MAC 217 and the Urban Decay Deep Neutral. Try to keep it really close in to really give off that snatched nose effect. And then I just bring it into my eye like a shadow. Now, it's broken, sorry. My Laura Geller, look, I'm scraping stuff up, honey. I'm using scraps. Scraps at this point. So I'm just gonna take this MAC 221 brush and I'm gonna use this to highlight my nose. And I also use it to highlight a little bit in the inner corner. And a little for the brow bone. Use this on the cupid bow area. You can go as intense as you want to go. This is usually about how much I do, unless I'm like going to a special event. But I'm taking the Anastasia highlighter brush and I'm gonna use that same highlighter. And I'm gonna apply it on the highlighted area above the contour. And sometimes I do a second highlighter. This is Heat Wave by Estee Lauder. I'm just gonna use this on my nose. I feel like it's not popping out enough. You guys. It's popping out at me for sure. Get that Cupid's bow. So then I'm gonna go in. This is what I do. If you feel like your highlight and contour isn't blended well, you should just go in between both of them with a blush, and that's usually what I do. I'm using my favorite blush. It's called Burnt Pepper and it's by MAC Cosmetics. So I'm going to take a blush brush. This is the MAC 129. And I'm just going to go in between the highlight and the contour and apply it to my cheeks. So this is the final look of my highlighting and contouring. I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows and all the rest of my face and finish off the look and come back. Alright, you guys, thank you once again for coming to my channel and tuning into my videos. If you like what you saw today, do not forget to hit the like button, hit that subscribe button to keep updated with me. I post every Wednesday, and thank you all for watching.
P-I-N-G, I got the V-V-S-I-C-E,